Alright guys, I'm here at the Gaydon Gathering. Me and the Punisher Cup will be joining other racers later on. I'm here at the British Motor Museum. As you can see, there you go. And this is my car, the Punisher. We'll be joining with other car enthusiasts later on at the Gaydon Gathering. This is where they're gonna do it. The whole car park will be full of all different types of cars. And I was invited as part of the participant to showcase my car. So we'll be seeing more action and other racing cars that will arrive here later on. Thank you very much.